You're scrolling through your feed, just chilling.
Suddenly you see it.
A pair of glowing sneakers that look like they've been sent from the future.
A 15-second video shows someone unboxing them.
The music is perfect.
Everyone in the comments is losing their minds.
A little voice in your head whispers, "I need those."
That, my friends, is the magic and the madness of social media.
It's designed to be a non-stop parade of shiny, exciting things.
It makes you feel like you're just one click away from a cooler life.
For teens who are just starting to manage their own money, this digital world can feel like a minefield of money traps.
Turning your hard-earned cash into a distant memory before you even know what happened.
This isn't about being against social media or having fun.
It's about understanding the game so you can play it your way.
The apps on your phone are incredibly good at one thing, getting you to react.
They want you to tap,
To like,
to share.
to buy.
The line between your friends' vacation photos and a clever advertisement has become almost invisible.
This can lead to quick decisions.
And even quicker regrets.
We're going to pull back the curtain on 3 of the biggest money traps lurking in your feed.
Then we'll arm you with simple, powerful fixes you can start using this very second.
Let's talk about the first major trap: impulse buys driven by influencers.
You follow them for their style.
You follow them for their humor.
You follow them for their amazing gaming skills.
But here's the deal: their posts are often their job.
An influencer holds up a product, an energy drink or a fancy skincare item, and calls it a game changer.
It's not just a friendly recommendation.
They might use a discount code like Sarah20 to create urgency.
You feel like you'll miss out if you don't act now.
This pressure is real. It short-circuits the part of your brain that asks, do I really need this?
Small, impulsive buys add up faster than you think.
Maybe it's a $15 phone case you saw on TikTok.
Maybe it's a $25 lip gloss kit from an Instagram story.
Maybe it's a $30 subscription box that looked fun in an unboxing video.
Each purchase seems harmless on its own.
But several of these buys a month can total over $100.
That's money that could go toward a new laptop for school.
Or a trip with friends.
Or even your first car.
The thrill fades. The dent in your account stays.
Consider a classic example, a Get Ready With Me video that slips in 5 beauty products with swipe-up links.
Or a fitness guru's post-workout routine that features a branded protein powder.
Or athletic wear casually shown mid-workout.
They make it look essential to that cool lifestyle, so you start to believe you need it.
Ads are blended with personal content. Your brain may not register a sales pitch.
It feels like advice from a cool older sibling, not a paid spokesperson.
This cycle, seeing, wanting, buying on impulse, is the influencer illusion.
It creates an artificial need for products you were fine without just moments before.
Influencers sell a feeling, happiness.
Influencers sell a feeling, confidence.
Influencers sell a feeling, belonging.
You buy the product hoping to buy that feeling.
But true confidence doesn't come from a face cream or a pair of sneakers.
Recognizing this illusion is your first line of defense.
Appreciate content as entertainment and advertising. Don't let it dictate where your money goes.
The second money trap
Is the fake rich lifestyle that floods our feeds.
Scroll for just 5 minutes, and you'll likely see someone posing on a yacht in a tropical paradise.
Showing off a closet filled with designer clothes.
Or unboxing the latest $1,000 gadget.
These posts paint a picture of a life with no budget and no financial worries.
What they conveniently leave out is the behind-the-scenes reality.
They don't show the mountain of debt.
The fact that the fancy car was rented for a 2-hour photo shoot.
Or that the luxury vacation was sponsored and paid for by a brand.
They are selling a fantasy, and it's a very expensive one.
This constant exposure to unrealistic wealth creates immense social pressure.
You might start looking at your own life,
Your own clothes.
and your own phone and feel like they aren't good enough.
This feeling, often called lifestyle creep or comparison culture, is a powerful motivator for spending.
You might be tempted to buy a trendy, expensive pair of jeans you can't really afford, just to replicate a look you saw online.
Or maybe you feel pressured to go out for expensive meals with friends every weekend, because that's what you see everyone else doing on their stories.
The fear of missing out, or FOMO, becomes a fear of not measuring up.
Let's look at some common examples.
Your favorite YouTuber might do a "what I got for my birthday" haul, showcasing an array of expensive gifts that would cost more than a summer job's salary.
A travel influencer's feed might be a continuous stream of 5-star hotels,
And first-class flights?
making your family's camping trip feel less exciting.
Even smaller-scale examples, like friends posting their new pricey gaming setups.
Or concert VIP passes can trigger that feeling of envy and the desire to keep up.
This pressure can lead you to make poor financial choices, like dipping into your savings.
Or even asking your parents for money for things that aren't necessities.
The key to breaking free from this trap is to remember that social media is a highlight reel, not the full movie.
People post their wins, not their struggles.
They post the party, not the cleanup.
They post the shopping spree, not the credit card bill.
That person with the perfect life still has to do laundry
Take out the trash.
and deal with bad days.
Once you internalize this truth, the power of comparison begins to fade.
You can start focusing on your own financial goals and what truly brings you joy.
Rather than chasing a curated picture-perfect fantasy that isn't even real to begin with.
Your financial journey is yours alone, and it doesn't need to look like anyone else's.
Now for the final trap, stombriens, other brick standards.
It's a nasty one.
Fake offers. Unbothered, they come century one pre.
Designed specifically to target teens.
Scammers are smart.
And they ride the latest trends.
They lurk in your DMs.
They hide in comment sections.
And they pop up in ads. What's controlling she to find over stairs?
Promising things that sound too good to be true.
They might offer a free PlayStation 5 if you just click the link and fill out a survey.
Or set up a fake online store selling big brands for tiny prices.
They prey on excitement and trust.
One common trick is the brand ambassador scam.
A fake account DMs you saying they love your profile and want you to rep their brand.
They promise free products.
But first you pay a shipping fee or buy an initial item.
Once you pay, they vanish.
Another scam is quizzes or games promising your celebrity lookalike or soulmate.
Those forms ask for personal info. Phone number,
Passwords. Anakardanen anstiftboard.
which can be sold or used for identity theft.
Develop a healthy skepticism.
Before you click, investigate.
Is the account verified or a random username with numbers?
Does the site look professional or full of typos and blurry images?
Search the site name plus reviews.
Or site name plus scam?
People often warn others. You'll see it.
Best defense, make your own money rules.
Rule 1. The 24-hour rule. Wait a full day before non-essential buys.
The urge will often vanish.
Rule 2. A fun money budget. Decide how much you can spend and stick to it.
When the money is gone, it's gone until next time.
Rule 3. Curate your feed. Unfollow accounts that make you feel bad.
And follow creators who talk budgeting and saving.
These steps put you back in the driver's seat.
Enjoy social media without it controlling your wallet.
Start with one rule today. Watch your financial confidence grow.
Think of it as your financial self-defense class for the digital age.
Understanding these traps is the first step to building real financial confidence.
It's not about depriving yourself of things you genuinely want.
It's about making sure your money goes where you decide, not where an algorithm or a paid influencer pushes it.
Imagine saving up for something truly awesome, like concert tickets to see your favorite artist.
Instead of spending that same money on a bunch of small, forgettable items from a flash sale.
That feeling of control is what we are aiming for.
It's about turning mindless scrolling into mindful spending, one small choice at a time.
This journey starts with knowing what you're up against.
The online world moves at lightning speed, and it's easy to get swept up in the hype.
1 minute you're watching a funny cat video,
And the next you're typing in your payment details for a limited edition hoodie you didn't even know existed 5 minutes ago.
we've all been there.
But by learning to spot these traps, you can protect your wallet.
And build smart money habits that will benefit you for the rest of your life.
So let's get into it and learn how to keep your money safe from the scroll that wants to steal your dough.